Okay, question 3 part 1 asks us to show that this equation here has a root that lies between 2 and 3. So if we call this function f of x, which equals 0, if we test f of 2, we're expecting that one of these numbers to be bigger than 0 and one of them to be below 0. And that shows us that between 2 and 3, I'm not sure if it's going to be like this or like this. But let's just assume that the first one's negative and the second one's positive. That shows that it must cross the x-axis somewhere between 2 and 3, and therefore that's a root. So when we type in, so I'm going to press 2 and equals on my calculator so that I can use my answer button. So I'm going to press 2 equals, which I've already done, and now I can do 2 ants cubed plus 4 ants take 35. And that is negative. That comes out at negative 11. So my graph was right. Now I can press 3 and equals, and all I have to do is then press up on my calculator, and it's now going to work that same calculation out as it did before, but with the 3 instead of the 2. So I just have to press up and then equals again, and that now comes out at 31. So one of the answers is below the x-axis and one is above the x-axis, and because of this sign change, we know that we've got this situation on. So, and that's a proper rule, and you can quote the sign change rule in your exam. So I'm going to write that due to the sign change rule, a root, at least one root, in fact, must lie between 2 and 3.